Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about information about vitamins. Vitamins are micronutrients. Vitamins are required in small quantities. Vitamins are classified into two groups. They are water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are B complex and C vitamin are the water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. Now let us study about the resources of vitamins and deficiency diseases of vitamins. Vitamin B1, chemical name thiamine. Vitamin B1 resources are cereals, oilseeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, and eggs. Cereals example rice, wheat, jowar, and millets are the sources of vitamin B1. Oil seeds are also source of vitamin B1. Example for oil seeds groundnut, sunflower, gingerly. Vegetables are the source of vitamin B1. Milk, meat, fish, and eggs are the resources of vitamin B1. B1 vitamin deficiency disease is beriberi. Due to the deficiency of B1 vitamin, beriberi disease will be caused. Symptoms of beriberi: vomiting, fits, loss of appetite, difficulty in breathing, paralysis are the symptoms of beriberi disease. Vomiting, fits, loss of appetite, difficulty in breathing, and paralysis are the symptoms of beriberi disease. Next vitamin is B2. Chemical name of B2 vitamin is riboflavin. Resources of vitamin B2 are milk, eggs, liver, kidney, green leafy vegetables, fishes. Due to the deficiency of B2 vitamin, glossitis disease will be caused. Symptoms of glossitis disease are mouth cracks at corner, red and sore tongue, scaly skin, photophobia are the symptoms of glossitis disease. Vitamin B3. Chemical name of B3 vitamin is niacin. Resources of niacin are B3 vitamin, kidney, liver, meat, eggs, fish, oil seeds are the resources of vitamin B3 or niacin. Due to the deficiency of B3 or niacin vitamin, pellagra disease will be caused. Symptoms of pellagra disease are dermatitis, diarrhea, loss of memory, scaly skin are the symptoms of pellagra disease. Next vitamin is B6. Chemical name of B6 vitamin is pyridoxine. Resources of pyridoxine are B6 vitamin, cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, eggs, liver, fruits are the resources of pyridoxine or B6 vitamin. Due to the deficiency of B6 or pyridoxine vitamin, anemia disease will be caused. Symptoms of anemia disease are hyperirritability, nausea, vomiting, fits are the symptoms of anemia disease. Next vitamin is B12. Chemical name of B12 vitamin is cyanocobalamin. Resources of cyanocobalamin are eggs, milk, meat, fish are the resources. B12 vitamin is mainly synthesized by bacteria present in our intestine. Bacteria present in our intestine is synthesized B12 vitamin. Due to the deficiency of B12 or cyanocobalamin vitamin, pernicious anemia disease will be caused. Symptoms of pernicious anemia are lean and weak, less appetite are the symptoms of pernicious anemia. Next vitamin is folic acid. Resources of folic acid is liver, meat, eggs, milk, fruits, cereals, leafy vegetables are the resources of folic acid vitamin. Due to the deficiency of folic acid, anemia. This anemia is caused due to the deficiency of folic acid. Symptoms of anemia are diarrhea, loss of leukocytes, intestinal mucus problems are the symptoms of anemia disease. Next vitamin is pantothenic acid. Resources of vitamin pantothenic acid are sweet potatoes, groundnuts, vegetables, liver, kidney, eggs are the resources of pantothenic acid. Due to the deficiency of pantothenic acid, burning feet sensation occur. Symptoms: walking problems and sprain. Sprain means ankle pain or swelling. These are the symptoms of burning feet sensation occur due to the deficiency of pantothenic acid vitamin. Next vitamin is biotin. Resources of vitamin biotin are pulses, nuts, vegetables, liver, milk, kidney are the resources of vitamin biotin. Due to the deficiency of biotin vitamin, nerves disorder will be caused. Symptoms of nerve disorders are fatigue, means tight, mental depression, muscle pains are the symptoms of nerve disorders. Next vitamin is C. Chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is the chemical name of vitamin C. Vitamin C chemical name ascorbic acid. Resources of vitamin C are ascorbic acid, green leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, sprouts, and amla are the resources of vitamin C. Due to the deficiency of vitamin C or ascorbic acid, scurvy disease will be caused. Symptoms of scurvy disease are delay in healing of wounds, bleeding in gums, fracture of bone. Symptoms of scurvy disease: delay in healing of wounds, fractures of bones are the symptoms of scurvy disease. Now, next vitamin A. Chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. Retinol is the chemical name of vitamin A. Resources of vitamin A are leafy vegetables, carrot, tomato, pumpkin, papaya, mango, meat, fish, eggs, liver, milk, cod liver oil, shark liver oil are the resources of vitamin A. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A, eye skin disease will be caused. Symptoms eye of diseases are night blindness. Night blindness means unable to see during night time. Another one is xerophthalmia, means eye becomes dry, and cornea failure are the different types of eye diseases. Scaly skin is the one type of skin disease. Next vitamin is D. Chemical name of D vitamin is calciferol. Calciferol is the chemical name of vitamin D. Resources of vitamin D are calciferol or liver, eggs, butter, cod liver oil, shark liver oil, and morning sun rays are the sources of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D, rickets disease will be caused. Symptoms of rickets disease: improper formation of bones, knock knees, swollen breast, delayed indentation, weak bones are the symptoms of rickets disease. Next vitamin is vitamin E. Chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol. Tocopherol is the chemical name of vitamin E. Resources of vitamin E are tocopherol are fruits, vegetables, sprouts, meat, egg, sunflower oil are the resources of vitamin E. Due to the deficiency of vitamin E, fertility disorders are occur in male and female. Symptoms: sterility in male, abortions in females are occur due to the deficiency of vitamin E. Next vitamin is K. Chemical name of vitamin K is phylloquinone. Is the chemical name of vitamin K. Phylloquinone is the chemical name of vitamin K. Resources of vitamin K are green leafy vegetables, milk, eggs are the resources of vitamin K. Due to the deficiency of vitamin K is delay in blood clotting. Symptoms of delay in blood clotting: delay in blood clotting, overbleeding are occur due to the deficiency of vitamin K.